Hey there friends, I'm back again with another tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to change the background wallpaper on Windows 10. It's a simple and fun process to personalize your desktop and make it truly yours. First step is to right-click on any empty space on your desktop. A menu will pop up and you'll want to select Personalize. This will open the settings window where you can customize various aspects of your desktop. Next, you'll see a section called Background. Click on the drop-down menu under Background and choose whether you want a picture, a solid color, or a slideshow as your wallpaper. If you select picture, you can click on the browse button to choose an image from your computer. It can be a photo you love, a stunning landscape, or anything that inspires you. If you select solid color background, you can pick your favorite hue from the color grid. If you prefer a slideshow, you can add multiple images to create a dynamic desktop experience. Once you've made your selection, close the settings window, and boom, your new background wallpaper is set. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change background wallpaper on Windows 10. See you on my next video where I'll bring you more exciting tech tips and tricks. Stay tuned and happy customizing!